have it. That's a long truck. Go guide him over there. Jason. Go guide him over there. Nope, not gonna happen. That's a big boy. Will it clean? Let's look. I think you're clear. I think you got it. You just swing it that way. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's in. He's in. You can go that way. Whoa, we didn't even check the height. We didn't even check the height. We didn't even check the height. It cleared. Here. And the shop is back there. That's where it's gonna go. I'm sorry if I kept this a secret from you, but come on, you had to know what was happening, right? You knew, right? You knew. Put in the comments if you knew this was happening. There had to be a reason why I was adding on so many more square feet, right? Right? You knew. I'm excited. I'm excited. Look at this thing. That's a long truck.
Tight turn down there, but it made it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Not a problem. Where do you want to park me?
You can pull straight ahead if you want.
Is that going to be solid enough to support me?
Oh yeah.
I'm grossing 93.
93,000?
Yeah.
How much does this thing weigh?
52,000.
52,000. Holy smokes. 77-foot long truck. He doesn't know yet, but he barely cleared on the height. Barely. But anyway, she's in here. 52,000 pound machine right there. That's not all of it. There's another truck coming. So how long you been on the road?
Loaded Wednesday, got to Columbia, New Jersey Wednesday evening, left there Thursday morning. It's about 1:15 Sunday afternoon.
So that long.
Been a couple of days.
You were clean shaven when you left, right?
No. No.
You don't know this, but you barely cleared the height.
I figured that.
But I knew it would clear because I asked ahead of time and they said it was 13.8 or something like that.
I'm 13.8.
And the entrance is 14 plus I dug down the road 6 inches, so I figured you had plenty.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, you got it on the first shot. Congratulations for that.
Thanks.
Good job, Pat.
Thank you.
So now the riggers come tomorrow?
Yeah. I'm going to start untarping this thing about 6:30 in the morning.
Okay.
I'm not going to untarp it today with the
threatening
clouds.
There's possibility of rain.
Possibilities of rain, it ain't getting untarped.
All right. Well, you can leave the truck there. It's fine.
I'm staying right there in it.
Are you going to stay in it? All
Where
right.
else am I going to go?
Well, I don't know.
I got a house on wheels.
Yeah, we just finished rolling the epoxy on the floor for that shop over there is where it's going.
Yeah.
So we just got done right now. You can show me your hands.
Hopefully it'll be dry by tomorrow.
That's the hope. But either it is or it's not. We're going to put the machine in there anyway.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Pat.
Not a problem.
We got another one. The rigging crew should be here early this morning.
There's a few of them that are good for that. I was doing what I could to get this done before anybody came in.
You got it. All right. There's the first one.
Good morning, Eric. How you doing, buddy?
How you doing, man?
I'm all right. I'm all right. Exciting day.
Yeah. Who would have thunk it, huh? Less than what is it,
It's
6, 8
been
months?
less than a year. It's incredible. It's been less than a year.
Look at this. The landscape sure looks different.
Yeah, I've been watching. It was incredible. I mean, it's crazy what you've done. God, I want to go see. I mean, I've seen the videos, but I want to go see this.
Well, they got Antarctica. Let's go look at.
Yeah, let's go check it out, man.
That's one thing that I'm so glad about.
3 phases.
That, well, not only did I go 3-phase, I went 600 amps.
Yeah.
Which, you know, I got plenty of power now. Let me go show you what it looks like. We still don't have any lights, but we did the flooring yesterday. There it is.
Man, you've been busy.
Yep.
I was watching this, and I like the trusses, and I like the single run.
Yep. We got a big door out here in the front. So we can get machines in here.
Yeah.
Closed cell insulation, insulated doors. I always put insulated doors in with wind struts. We put windows in the door because the windows that everything just takes forever nowadays. So it was about a 6-month wait to get windows, and I said nope. I'll just put them in the doors and be done with it.
Yeah, I saw some of that. Yeah.
So yep, we used the polyaspartic on the floor. Super tough. This came on the second truck. This actually goes to that one. All right, so here's the first package. It's been opened up. This is a chip conveyor, and that should start telling you what's in that box over there. What's gonna happen with the machine? That's an 18-foot door. Almost there, Jason. Keep going. Ooh, you're ambidextrous.
Only one way to be.
Amphibious. You're amphibious.
So when do we get a shoot?
Well, trust me, we're gonna get to the range one of these days. Just keep working. I promise. I'm gonna take you to the range one of these days. I tell you what, I'll even let you win. How's that? I'll do that for you, Jason.
You're a generous. You're a generous guy.
I am very generous. Any help? You got it? Oh, don't break. Oh, no. I think you need help.
Let the weight of the hammer do the work.
See? That wasn't that bad. We gotta get some epoxy and pour in that hole just to make sure that no moisture comes up through there. Alright, now they're working on the main machine. They have to get the crate opened up. Typically, they would unload the machine and work on the crate on the ground. However, they need another forklift, and they only have one here so far. They went to go get the other one, so they're gonna start working on the crate right now. And as soon as I said that, I realized the other forklift is here. I think what they're trying to do right now is figure out which way the machine is facing. So they got to take it from there and put it over here, and they obviously don't want to have it turned the wrong way. The machine weighs 52,000 pounds, so it's a lot of weight. All right, so what they have decided to do is they're going to take that 18-wheeler and they're going to bring it through here onto here, okay? And then they're gonna bring a forklift on each side of the machine or each side of the truck. They're gonna lift the machine and they're gonna pull the truck out. They're gonna have to go into that field, which I don't have a problem with, but that's about the only way they can do it, because we don't have a whole lot of room here. I have a culvert pipe right there, so that limits how wide the road can be. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. So they're having to stab this thing from both sides, and the truck has to go forward when they're done, or when they lift it. And then I guess they're gonna, I don't know, roll one forklift's gonna roll forward, the other one back, and somehow they have to get it into that door. I don't know. I'm glad they're doing it and not me, because all of a sudden that door that looked so big doesn't look as big. Look at the size of these machines. Ooh. Gotta lift it some more. He's out. He's out. Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? He's gonna go all the way through. Look at him. He can't even turn. That is a heavy machine. Very interesting. Yep, she's up in the air.
I think it's heavy.
Yeah. I hope the slab's big enough now. Holy smokes.
I think we're committed at this point, right?
Yeah. Alright, so I think what they're going to do is they're going to slide this thing under that to allow that to skid around. I think that's the plan. There it goes.
Alright, Eric, it's the big day. What's going through your head?
Oh, I'm just wondering how they're going to get the machine in there. I don't know. I mean, the door, which appeared to be a huge door, all of a sudden
Shrink.
looks so small. That's a big machine, and it's heavy. And look at, I mean, the forklift, we packed that gravel real good, but it's been raining, and that forklift is just digging it all up. And I'm afraid it's only going to get worse. And they, if they try to get that machine in, I mean, that's what they're doing. And I have no idea how they're going to do it. I mean,
Let's go look at this.
Trenches! We got the trenches!
I don't know. But I tell you what, once this thing is up and running, we're going to be able to make some really cool stuff.
Expanding the product line.
Oh, yeah.
See that, everyone? More products.
We got some really cool stuff coming up. You wait. So just for comparison, look how small the skid steer looks. compared to that forklift. Crazy. So now they got it turned, and now they're gonna lift with both forklifts and move it. They're trying to get in front of that door, and I think at that point they have a different plan to just slide it in sideways. They have some rollers in there. I think they're gonna set the machine in those rollers, but I don't know. Here it goes. It's working. Sinking again. Up. We got there, Jason.
Whataburger. Got some fries. Tasty burger.
Wow, that's crazy scary. Wow, it looks like they finally got it where they want it. They're gonna remove all the walls from the box, and then they're gonna untarp the whole machine, and they're gonna move it in there. See a little bit there in the corner. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, there's another sneak peek. There he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. All right.
And I